Hi guys, today we're going to be recreating the traps of Home Alone.
Yeah, so it's our first time working together to make traps of Home Alone.
So let's jump right in. Okay guys, now we're going to show you how to recreate the traps. Okay. Trap number 1, paint can to the face. Okay guys, so the materials you will need is a ring. I'm not using a paint can because that will seriously hurt someone. I'm using a ring.
Also, we have paint cans in the garage.
Yeah, and we need some rope and a strip of tape. Okay guys, Okay guys, let me show you how to make it. So first, come over here, face the phone up, okay? Now we have to put down the rope. And that should be good. Now, see guys, so use a strip of tape. Look, show them the rope. See guys, now I'm gonna tape the rope to the railing. And then with this extra rope, I can do this. Put it through, here. Put the rope through there. And then tie it on to here. I can't believe we're actually doing this.
It is called paint cans on the face. But
okay, I'm gonna get one more strip of tape.
Yup, that's the.
I don't think I called this one more strip of tape.
Let me see this up.
But I do call this one.
Well, yes.
There.
We also have super hold tape, but we can't find it. That's why we're using this tape.
Yeah, it's way stronger than super hold tape. So
Now
now,
the strongest tape we have.
yeah. So look, we're gonna take the ring and I'm gonna tie the rope on it, like just like this.
Okay.
And
Now let's see about the paint cans on the face.
Yeah, and then let me show you how it works.
You have to throw it down
When a bad guy comes over there.
at the biggest step.
Yeah. So when a bad guy comes down there, then just throw this ring and then I'll hit the bag. So let's see. You remember. I'm the one who made it, so I'm the one who should, release it and all that stuff. Okay, guys. Okay.
Then I will release it.
So, guys, my brother is pretending to be the bad guy, just like moha, say that and all that stuff.
I may even laugh.
Yeah.
Or I can pretend that I'm trying to steal something upstairs.
Yeah. Okay, there he is, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna take the ring. No. Yeah. Now just come upstairs. You're a kid. Ha! Yeah. Trap number 2, door trap. Okay guys, next up is a door trap. So what you need for this is just a rope and a tripod. We use this to make more videos.
Yeah, we used it to make the thing can float video.
Yeah, and we did that same video when we did the rope. I don't know how this computer got like this, but okay, let me show you guys. So look. I'm gonna use a chair because I'm not high enough to reach the top of the door.
Oh, that's why you're standing on a chair?
Yep.
And the tripod is in the way.
Okay, I'll move the tripod. Okay, so I'm just gonna stand on the chair. And guys, look up here. Come closer. So I'm gonna tie it just click on the door.
Yeah, that's my. So.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put it on the other hooks. Then
Look at the tripod over there.
No, we're gonna look. So now, see, look up there. See, I tied it on that hook. Now I'm gonna wrap it around this door handle.
Well, that do.
You'll see. The tripod is the main part.
Oh, so when they open the door, then the tripod will fall on them?
Yeah. Okay, you can stop the video. Okay, guys. Now, I think this should be enough.
Yeah, that's great.
Here's a chair.
They're away.
I'm taking the tripod. Just put it here. And then I'm gonna. So guys, you see this part? Now I'm gonna do this.
That will also release the whole thing to fall
Ow.
around, guys.
I just trapped myself.
So we have to go out. Sorry, but we have to break the trap to test it.
Okay, here. Just hold it up. Okay, now guys, I'm putting it on here like this. Just holding it here. Okay, and guys, look at this.
You're
Now
almost
I'm
done.
Yeah, I'm almost done with this. Okay, guys, now I'm done with the door handle stuff.
Now time for the tripod stuff.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna you see this part? And I'm
Yep.
gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do this with the rope here. Okay guys, I'm done. So this is the trap. So come on here. So just go through the door. Over there. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you when to come inside. 3, 2, 1. Come inside. Yeah, keep going. And then, boom! Ha!
Hey.
Okay, guys, those are all the traps.
Come on, those aren't all the traps.
I mean, those are all the traps in this video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
We will use that on our dad soon.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah. And if you want to see part 2 of Home Alone traps, subscribe to Orange TV. But for now, to be continued.